You're doing your baby can read. Where's your light, Karina? Where's your toes? The cows are eating hay. The camel is chewing. I guess you took one of her socks off. Good girl. Wave your arms. Can you wave your arms like Lauren? Say bye-bye. Will you wave bye-bye? Alright, so good morning. That's the end.